It's a very nice day. Very, very nice. So let's make a choice. We should do this one. This one also. I like that. Yeah, it's got a color film on it. It's a nice one. Yeah. This is the first Yashica. Let's try this one. Okay. Today we're gonna try this baby. It's called Beautyflex. Alright. Let's see how this is gonna work. Let's have some fun. Good morning. Today we're gonna have fun with this camera. It is a Beautyflex. Another one, Japanese camera, TLR twin lens reflex from mid 1950s, and as you can see, it's quite interesting one. It's got the shutter, call it a tonal. Never heard about that, but anyway, it's a nice shutter and very nice lenses on it. On the back, it's got the window counter, and I'm really curious to see how this Beauty is gonna perform. This is the old model Beauty. This particular camera, Beautyflex, had few variants, and I know some of them that are actually really nice. But as you probably know, on the camera, what matters is mostly the lens, a little bit on the mechanical part, and at the end it's the artist, how nice an artist can make some pictures. But for me, I'm not quite on that side. I'm more on the mechanical part. I'm on the engineering side, and also on the collection part. So no, I like those babies, and I'd like to see how those baby will perform. Okay, so let's put it to test, let's put it to work, and let's have some fun. All right.